All right, so we have been talking about topic, main idea, and supporting details all week. The next step is for us to be able to write a paragraph explaining the topic, the main idea, and supporting details. But before we do that, we want to make sure we can complete a graphic organizer. So this morning I introduced a graphic organizer for completing and finding our topic, main idea, and supporting details. Now I'm going to model how to complete that organizer so that you all can use it as a tool to guide your learning and your writing of the paragraph. So in this portion, I'm going to be the only one doing this, and you guys get to sit back, you get to watch, and you get to listen. And then next, I'll be asking for your help, and we'll do it together. So when I begin completing a graphic organizer, I have to ask myself, well, what am I completing this organizer about? And I know that the objective we've been working on is identifying my topic, my main idea, and my supporting details. I have this handy dandy poster that I got in class. And in this poster, it shows me my topic is 1 or 2 words about the text that usually point out the title of the text. My umbrella is my main idea. And that is a statement that tells the most important thought about the topic. So I know I can get my topic from a title usually. My main idea supports that title or that topic. Okay, so these are very connected. And then from there, I have my raindrops, which are my supporting details. And is that just anything? I wonder if I can just open up my book and pick any sentence. No, I don't feel like that was right. What were my supporting details? Oh, that's right. My poster tells me. Here at the bottom, it shows me that these are facts and examples or details that support and help describe the main idea. Okay, so supporting details support my main idea and describe it. So it's kind of like the how or the why behind my main idea. Got it. Okay, I think I'm ready to complete the graphic organizer. And if I get lost, where did my teacher say I could find that poster again? Oh, that's right. It's going to be in the Google Classroom. So all week, I should be able to go back to that if I need to in completing graphic organizers to plan my writing. All right, I think I'm ready. So for my main idea, I know my topic comes first. I see it as the first box up here. In 1 or 2 words, tell what the passage is mostly about. And my poster said this might be pointed out in my title. Ooh, okay, so I know that my title was Martin Luther King Jr. So he's probably gonna be this topic. It's what the book is all about. I'm gonna use that as my topic. For my main idea, I know it's the next part down here. My main idea is what is the most important thing the author said about the topic. So what do we know about Martin Luther King Jr.? Well, the book was basically telling me he was a leader. Well, I guess a leader of what? I should probably be more specific. Let me look back at my book. What was he a leader of? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to write that down too. And then after that, what comes next? My supporting details are next. So it goes my topic, my main idea, and then my supporting details. This is how my graphic organizer works as a tool to help guide my thinking. So it wants 3 here. I have 3 boxes. And in these boxes, I need to put the little pieces of information that tell more about or elaborate on the main idea. And I remember now I can't just put anything. My poster told me it needs to be facts and examples that support it. So how do I know he was a leader? I'm going to look back in the book. No, I don't need to. I think I have this first one. I think he led marches, right? Well, maybe I should double check in the book. I'm gonna look back at my book. Yep, it said he led some marches. I think that could be one. Another one. Oh, here it talks about him giving speeches. That supports him being a leader of this movement. And next, what else could I put? Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so I think I found my 3 details. They're from the book. They're facts and examples that help support why I think Martin Luther King Jr. was a leader, which supports my topic, which is what the passage is mostly about, which is Martin Luther King Jr. Now I'm going to write those pieces in. So my topic, Martin Luther King Jr. My main idea was that he was a leader of the civil rights movement. How I know and why I know is from facts and examples. Those are my supporting details. Those are my raindrops coming down from the umbrella. I know that he led the marches. I know that he gave the speeches about the importance of equal rights. And I know that he led the protest. These words led, those really helped me because I used the word leader in my main idea. And these are examples from the book that I know help describe why he was a leader and how he was a leader. So they really do support my main idea. I feel good about this. I feel like this is a great way for me to begin my paragraph now that I know my main idea and now that I have details to support my main idea. So I'm going to use this graphic organizer to help guide my writing. But before I do, now that everyone has listened and watched as I complete the graphic organizer, you're going to help me remember the steps. So, Skylar, I saw your hand up multiple times. You really wanted to help me find my main idea, but I appreciate you not chiming in because this was the I do part. This was my turn. Now you can help me find the step. So what's the first thing I need to do in this graphic organizer, Skylar? Yes, the topic. And if I don't know what a topic is, where can I find it? That's right, it's on my poster, which is found in my Google Classroom. And in the title, you're right. It might be in the title of my passage or my text. That's going to be a huge clue as to what the topic is. And so then after I have my topic, what else is needed? What's my next step, Skylar? The main idea. Good. And what is that? Yes, the main idea is a statement that tells the most important thought about the topic. Awesome job. And then what are those raindrops I kept referring to coming down? What is that called? Who remembers? Yes, Jacob. Supporting details, you're right. So the next step is supporting details. I have my topic, I have my main idea, and I have my supporting details. Jacob, how do I find those supporting details? Can I just choose anything from the book or anything from online or on Google? What about a YouTube video? Can I choose anything from a YouTube video? Okay, so I want to be using the book that I'm doing my paragraph about, and I want to use facts and details. You're right. Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing with us and for helping us figure out what a supporting detail was. So once I have all of these pieces, then I have a guide to help me write my paragraph. Next, we are going to do one together. So we're going to read a new passage. And we're all going to have a blank main idea template. And we're going to complete this as a whole group. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you're like, I'm ready to go. Let's complete this. I feel good about it. I have my poster. I know this guide. I know how to use this tool. To the side, if you're like, I'm ready to try, but you might still need to help me some. And the thumbs down if you're like, what's a main idea? Let me see where you all are right now. How are you feeling? What can I help with? Good. All right, I'm seeing those thumbs up. Let's jump in. Our next passage is on the next slide.